Hi friends, let me show you these new pruning shears. These are electric rechargeable pruning shears. Okay, you use them for anything that you need in your garden, in your nursery. Okay, so you get the actual shears, some accessories to fix it or to change the blades. A charging cable, you charge it here with a USB-C cord, and this accessory, some container for oil, and this sharpener for the blades. Okay, so it's easy. It's really easy to use. You just turn it on. Okay, and you have to wait. There they are. Okay, they cut. If you want to change the size of the cut, you press the trigger for 3 seconds. Okay, it's a smaller cut, as you can see. Let's change it again. It opens wider, right? So it's a larger cut. Okay, so we are going to test them in my garden. Let's go. We are going to cut some branches of this tree. As you can see, so easy. Let me show you. Okay, so you got a fresh, nice cut of every branch that you want to cut. Okay.